Good afternoon, K5, and welcome to our afternoon session. Guess what? It's skills time. So before we start, let's kiss our brain. Mwah. 1, 2 times. Now ready? I'm going to change you guys into linguists. Alakazam, alakazoo, K5 linguists. Now are you? Psh. Wonderful, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue with Unit 7, Lesson 2. So, what did we learn yesterday, boys and girls? We learned a sound, and that sound was, let's move it over a little bit, the digraph CH. And what sound does that make, boys and girls? The ch sound. Everybody, let's say it together. Ch, ch. Excellent, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn a new digraph. And it is the SH sound. And when you put the S and the H together, it's the sh sound. So we learned the ch sound and the sh sound. Let's say it together. Shh. Again, shh. Excellent, boys and girls. And right here, let's try our hand at the word frost. Ready? Put your hand up. And let's start with the f. Frost. Again, here's the word. Frost. Let's start with the f. The third finger. Frost. And can anybody tell me what letters they are? What letter is this? That's right, F. What sound does it make? First letter in the word frost. Next letter, R. What sound does it make? Next letter, oh, great, boys and girls. And we have the sound. Us. What letter is this? S. And what sound does it make? S. Great. And the last letter? You got it, linguists. T. And what sound does it make? T. Excellent. And when we put it together, we get frost. That's right, boys and girls. And that's what happens to water in the winter. It turns to frost. Great, boys and girls. Let's say our new sound again. We have the s and the h. When it comes together, it's shh. And the reason why, boys and girls, is the H. The H likes to make certain letters, certain sounds change the way they sound. So right now, we have the sh sound. So let's see if we can do these words together. Ready? Well, let's see. What word is this? Let's try it. Here is that digraph, SH. What sound does it make? That's right, boys and girls. Shh. So we have shh. What sound does this letter make? Eh. Great. Shh. Eh. You know what letter this is. That's right. And what sound does it make? The p. sound. So let's try it together. Ready? Ship. Ship. That's right, boys and girls. Ship. And you know what a ship is? A very large boat. Let's try the next one. Ready? You know what letter that is. What sound does it make? That's right. Then we have, that's right, the letter I. And what sound does it make? Eh, eh, eh. So we have f, eh, and the last sound, sh. Ready? F, eh, sh. F, ish. Fish. Yes. How many of you boys and girls like to have fish for dinner? Okay. Does anybody have fish as pets? Great, boys and girls. We have one more. Ready? Let's try this one. What letter is this? That's right. And what sound does it make? Yes. B, b, b. What letter is this? R. And what sound does it make? I can't hear you. That's right. So we have b, b, Now everybody remembers this sound, right? You know what letter that is. That's right, U. And what sound does it make? Great, boys and girls. So we have b, and you know this sound. The S and the H, it makes one sound, and it's the shh. Shh. So let's try it. B, sh, sh. Brush. That's right. And you use a brush for your teeth and for your hair, and maybe Dad uses it for his shoes, and you also have a brush for your clothes. Great, boys and girls. Now, here is what you'll be doing today. A lot of you have been doing the complete paper. If you don't have the paper or you can't download this sheet, just do the S and the H. And when you say it, say the letters and then make the sound. S, H, shh. Finger space. S, H, shh. Finger space. S, H, shh. Finger space. And trace. S, H, shh. Finger space. S, H. Finger space. Remember, boys and girls, when you start with the H, you start on the black line, past the dotted line, all the way down to the next solid line. Come back up, make a little hill, and come back down. A lot of you are trying, but a lot of you, the H's look like an N. We have to make it look like an H. So practice, practice, practice. And on the bottom, let's see if we can sound it out. Ready? We have the sh, e, d, shed. My goodness, boys and girls, you did it. Remember to finger space and do it again. Finger space and sh, e, d, shed. Okay, Mrs. Bonomo's trying very hard to write correctly. but it's a little difficult when we're not on the smart board. Okay, so to complete this, and of course we have this one. Remember, boys and girls, if there is no way to get these pictures down, just write the correct name word underneath what it is pointed to. Okay? We'll do the first one together. We know that this one is chips. And this one is a shin. So which one is the shin? 1 or 2? You would put it here, shin. S-H-I-N. Okay? Just practice the words. And don't forget, boys and girls, you are to always, always practice your letters and your sounds. It's very, very important. Mom, dads, remember, it is very important for them to continue to read their letters, their sounds, and of course, their words. Please click on the link below. And of course, the PDF to continue their studies. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls. We miss you, and we can't wait for us to be all together again. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye now.